AdTech Explained, why audience data matters even more in 2026. Welcome to AdTech Explained, the series where we break down complex advertising topics into simple, practical insights. Today we're looking at why audience data matters even more in 2026, and why campaign performance is no longer just about how much media you buy, but about who you reach, how accurately you reach them, and how well your data strategy supports the outcome. In 2026, more advertising budgets are flowing into programmatic, CTV, and OTT's mobile and retail media. As these channels keep growing, one thing becomes clear. Audience data is now one of the most important drivers of campaign performance. At the same time, marketers are dealing with weaker third-party cookies, more limited mobile identifiers, and tighter privacy rules. That means broad targeting is becoming less effective and often more expensive. The real advantage now comes from using high-quality audience data that helps you reach relevant people with more precision. So what is audience data? Audience data is the information that helps advertisers understand the people they want to reach. It can include demographics like age or gender, interests and lifestyle signals, purchase intent, and brand affinity. In simple terms, it helps answer three questions: who people are, what they care about, and how likely they are to take action. The best way to use audience data is to start with the outcome you want. Are you trying to increase reach in a niche audience, drive site visits, boost app installs, generate sales, or re-engage existing customers? Your goal should always determine the type of data you use. For example, if the goal is reach, demographic and interest data may be the best fit. If the goal is mid-funnel engagement, you may want to combine interests, brand affinity, and behavioral signals. If the goal is sales or conversions, purchase intent data becomes much more important. And if you want to re-engage existing customers, your own first-party data can be enriched with additional interest, intent, or demographic signals. That's where a structured audience strategy matters. A strong strategy is not about selecting as many segments as possible. It is about choosing the right signals. A practical way to build it is in layers. First, define your primary audience, the group most closely aligned with your campaign goal. Then add relevant extensions, people with similar behaviors or related interests. Next, include competitive signals, users engaging with competitor or alternative brands. And finally, apply exclusions, people who should not see the ad, such as existing customers or users outside the right market. This kind of structure helps protect budget, improve relevance, and avoid overly broad targeting. Audience data also becomes more powerful when it is matched to the right channel. In CTV and OTT, it helps brands go beyond content-based buying and reach households based on real behaviors and interests. In display and video, it helps refine targeting, improve engagement, and support stronger conversion performance. In mobile, it can work with app usage, location-aware behavior, and cookieless identifiers to reach users even when traditional tracking signals are limited. And of course, none of this works without measurement. The results tell you not only what worked, but what to improve next. You can look at which audiences drove the most conversions, which segments had the best engagement, or which groups delivered stronger viewability and completion rates. That feedback helps you optimize by removing weak segments, expanding strong ones, and testing new combinations. Finally, data quality, privacy, and trust have to be the foundation. Accurate, regularly refreshed data helps reduce wasted spend and improve results. And in today's environment, that data must also be privacy-safe, compliant, and built for a cookieless future. That's why strong audience strategies in 2026 are built not just on scale, but on quality, relevance, and trust. This was AdTech Explained, making complex ad tech simpler, one topic at a time. If you're looking for more ad tech insights, visit the onaudience.com blog. See you in the next episode.